Hey guys, let me show you today a mind-blowing Instagram page that gets high engagement rates and earns a lot of money in a profitable niche. And this page in question, that is Wars of Urban, and it's specialized in horror niche. It talks about mini-stories, horror stories, and supernatural topics, demons, and so on and so forth. And for sure, it gets a huge follower base in a short period as you observe. And the best part here, this amazing Instagram page has an amazing branch on TikTok platform with over 1 million followers. That means this niche works well on social media and many people love that. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can create these such beautiful videos using free tools and step by step. And before we dive in, I just want to highlight something important. I just leave down below in the description box in the first comment a free folder of the best hashtags in some of the best niches on Instagram. So check it out. And now just you can go back to our drawing box. Now how we can create these such horror relevant stories and topics. First of all, just you can head over to ChatGPT to get ideas to create our horror based content. So you can answer this prompt like this one, give me some ideas to create 1-minute videos about horror stories, and they are very scary. And for sure, ChatGPT provides us a lot of different ideas as for creepy encounters, paranormal, cursed, unsettling sounds, urban legends, and so on and so forth. So here you can rely on all these ideas to create your content on your page, either on Instagram or in TikTok. So I just take one of them, give me a 1-minute script of a horror story. It's very scary about demons and zombies. Make the story as some characters talking each other's with a fearful tone. So at the first trial, it gives us different characters or different heroes of our script video, like for Emma, Jake, and Lila. And this amazing script. They are talking each other's about a specific scary story. And just I try something else like this one, other one, that includes a demon talking to one person, and it gives me this title, The Mirror's Whisper, and I really loved that. And now just you can insert this prompt again to get these scene images of our video. Can you give me prompts to create these scene images? And it gives me this amazing scene of my script or my whole video, as you observe. And now it's time to create your images based on this prompt. So for sure you can rely on different AI image generators out there like Midjourney or PicLeomin.com or for sure Leonardo. And of course you can find down below in the description box in the first comment a big list of the best AI image generators that you can use for free, even without any watermark. So here in today's video, I tried this Leonardo to create our images as you see. So I just make one by one this prompt for the scene number 1 and the scene number 2 and so forth. So I created these such beautiful scenes, and I picked up 2 different images like this one as the beginning of my video, and the second one, this one or this one. And now it's time now how we can create voiceover or the scenario in this short video. For sure you can depend on 11 Labs. It's a good way to create beautiful and lifelike voiceovers. But in today's video I'm gonna show you another way that you can create these such beautiful voices for demon and for this girl. And this website, that is clipchamp.com. It's a beautiful alternative to CapCut or any other video editing tool to create your videos, and here you can find mind-blowing features. So first of all, just you can sign up for free, then you can go to this option, create a new video, then you can head over to record and create, and go down a little bit to text to speech, where you can generate your voiceover using your text. Firstly, just you can go back to our script from ChatGPT, the conversation between the girl and the demon, like this one. And here you can take this one for the demon as you see and copy this sense. Copy and head over to Clipchamp. Again, insert here in this box. And for language, you can select your language you want, and here I just select this one, the United States. And as for the daemon voiceover, you can go to this voice, and here you can find a specific one that is the Echo Turbo Multilingual. You can go to the advanced settings and just you can change its pitch to be extra low and keep the pace as it is, and just you can save it to turn the text to a voiceover. Listen. It's a perfect one to give a fearful tone in this voice. Convert any senses from the demons by using Clipchamp. And as for the girl, copy her words from ChatGPT as well, like for this one, for example. This is not real, and we can insert in this box again. Okay, and here in this menu you can select woman voiceover, and I will select this one, Amanda. Okay, like this one.
And no, this isn't real. You're not real.
Perfect. And as for export this voiceover as an MP3 track, here you can go to this option, export your voice, and for sure here you can export only this output as a video. So you can select this one, for example, and it will be downloaded as video on your device. It's time now to convert this video or these video clips to MP3 tracks. And here I'm going to show you an awesome tool that you can use for free. That is online converter that converts audio to video. For sure you can here type something like convert video to MP3 or extract MP3 from video and so on. So you can click over this option. Then it's kind of simple. You can choose your video clip that you have downloaded from Clipchamp. Convert this video to MP3 track. So you got all these tracks ready to be used later on your video. And now it's time to make an animation to your image to convert it to a lip syncing video. So you can actually apply the voiceover to an image to breathe life into these images. So here you can use this amazing tool that is Hydra.com. So here you can bring your characters to life with AI with lip sensing feature. As you see, in the best part, it gives you a free plan daily. Join this platform for free and head over to this option, create. And now step by step, just here you can this section for uploading your voiceover, like this one, upload here. Okay, upload your voice track. I consent. Okay. Okay. And here as for uploading your image that you have generated from Leonardo or any AI image generator. Now you can click over this button, generate your video. Some animation in this video to make it this demon seems to talk to this girl, as you see. Repeat this process over and over again to create your video clips ready from Hydra.com. And for sure you can depend on another website like dubdub.com. It gives you a free plan to create lip syncing and convert images to video as the same process. In a way, you can download all these video clips from Hydra.com, and now it's time to gather all these video clips to a whole video using any editing software like DaVinci or Filmora, Premiere Pro and so on, or on Canva.com to create your whole video. The conversation between the demon and the girl and talks about the whole story. And for sure it's better for you to spice things up by adding a music background and with sound effects and so on, with ha 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 and so on. Then you can upload your videos regularly on Instagram and TikTok regarding this specific niche. And don't forget again, just you can use the free folder down below in the description box, the first comment, to get the best hashtags in many niches on Instagram. So by the end of the video, thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.